Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the motor's dropped. Chad gave me a hand the other day. So now it's ready for disassembly. So I'm going to take the motor, I'm going to put on the engine stand and take everything apart and get ready for powder coating. And I got to do some more welding and finishing up a few things. So here we go. So this is the subframe from the 2004 Acura TSX. I made some boxes, changing the motor mounts. This is for the intercooler, so there's a few changes made to it, but other than that, everything else is pretty much all the same thing. So just gonna clean it all up, put some new transmission mounts on it. Here we got the motor. So normally the easy thing to do is you lift the motor high enough, then you put your engine stand and then drop it. I didn't want to take that chance today. I don't want to go any higher than I had to, because I just realized as I had it off that this is how it was kind of hanging. There wasn't much meat on there, so I didn't know if it was going to fall through. Yeah, so I don't want to take a chance. So anyways, cool, got it off. And now I'm gonna start cleaning everything up. All right, so I'm just cleaning up the subframe here, getting everything ready to sandblast. I also added some tabs on each end, so this way whenever you load it on a trailer or anything, you can just kind of strap it down, make it simpler. So anyways, like I said, just getting things ready here. Alright guys, so now we got the frame all sandblasted. We had to outgas it, of course, and then sandblast it again. So it's pretty much ready for prime. So here we go.
All right, so we got the frame all primed up. We're going to start the base coat now. Matt wanted something a little bit different, so I mixed some gloss black with a little bit of prismatic universe. We're going to test it out.
And now Chad is applying the last coat of clear, and once this is applied, it will look white, but then it turns clear once it goes in the oven. Alright guys, now that we got the subframe powder coated, stay tuned for the next video. Looking for some of the parts in the back and the bins and everything. We're gonna start putting this thing together in the next video. So stay tuned. Hit that follow and like button if you want to see more content. Alright, thanks guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one.